away across the pond to laugh and play. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only four came waddling back. Searching in flowers, four little ducklings danced in flowers, playing hide and seek for hours. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only three came waddling back. Jumping over stones, three little ducklings jumped on stones, hopping happily in squeaky tones. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only two came waddling back. Under the rainbow, two little ducklings found a rainbow, sliding down it. Whoa, what a show! Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only one came waddling back. Little duckling all alone, one little duckling swam around, looking left and looking down. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but none of her babies came back. Mama Duck searched near and far, through the pond and grassy yard. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," and five little ducklings came